Masayang buhay, everyone! This would be the last part of our discussion about the crowdsourcing handbook. For failed delivery, if in case the crowdsourcing courier ay may undelivered parcel to handle, the crowdsourcing courier will still need to follow the Unified Photo Standard for each marking reason. Again, as discussed in our previous training, we have 7 failed reasons for delivery. First is the receiver schedule. As you can see on the screen, there are SOP, photo standard, and the reminders na makikita sa bawat failed delivery reason. This would be the steps to follow. Second is unable to contact. Third is rejected by receiver. This would be the steps to follow. Fourth is wrong or incomplete address. Fifth is wrong number. Sixth is invalid number. Last but not the least, prohibited goods. This would be the steps to follow. All failed reasons mentioned ay posibleng ma-encounter ng ating crowdsourcing courier. Ang gagawin niya is just to follow the standard like the usual process ng ating mga regular couriers. Moving on to the Fleet VIP task status. First, we have the completed no-show. Kung ang crowdsource courier ay nag-arrive sa DC or branch, and due to some valid reasons, hindi siya nakapag-proceed sa pag-deliver ng parcel. Or if ever ang crowdsource courier ay totally no-show sa branch, the status will be completed no-show. In the case that the crowdsource courier ay hindi nakapag-turn over ng kanyang cash collected from the customers or hindi nagbalik ng mga parcel sa DC, then the status will be abnormal unpaid. If in case that the crowdsource courier tries to click the arrive button for different tasks at mayroon siyang abnormal status on the Fleet VIP, then there will be a notification saying, your last task has not been completed. Cannot start a new task. In short, hindi siya maaari na makapagsimula ng bagong task unless the remittance is completed. Next slide. Once the crowdsource courier is done with the delivery task, kailangan nang i-print ang digit ng DC supervisor. This serves as the proof of payment. The digit includes the delivery details done by the courier for the day. Ang branch system ang ginagamit to print the digit. However, prior the printing, the DC supervisor still needs to verify two things. First is to ensure that if ever mayroong COD or cash collected ang ating mga crowdsourcing courier, it should be properly turned over to the DC supervisor. Then the DCS should finish the remittance using their own kit. Second, dapat lahat ng failed delivery parcels ay na-turn over ng crowdsource courier sa DC officer. Why? Because the DC officer must finish the remaining or the report issue on the kit for each undelivered parcel. The steps on printing the digit are first, using the branch system. Just click the print non-employee day delivery details. Second is to select the date and the available printer, then click print. Third is once the barcode is generated, ipakita ito sa crowdsourcing courier at ipascan using the scanner mula sa kanyang flash kit. After printing, DC supervisor need to fill in the payment information at i-attach ang digit sa link provided by the network support. Take note, if our crowdsource courier ay walang GCash account, please ask the crowdsource courier to provide his or her bank account as an alternative. I-fill in ang mga required details in the form. For us to better understand the salary calculation of the crowdsourcing, here's our brief explanation. As you can see on the table, bawat type of vehicle or courier, there is a difference on the payment amount. For every set of 10 successfully delivered parcel ng courier, there is a different level on the payment amount. But if ever the number of parcels ay umabot na sa 41 or above, the payment range will be in the same level. But the most important thing is that the higher the number of successfully delivered parcel, the higher the payment that they can get. For better understanding, please check the example provided on the screen. That's all for Crowdsourcing Handbook. Thank you.